All right, hey everybody, this is Miss Hedgepeth. You cannot see me, but hopefully you can hear my voice. And I wanted to get on here right quick and show you some of the features of Kids A to Z. I am so glad to see several kids using Epic Books, but this week, if you could, I would like you to practice on reading A to Z, and I'm going to show you how it works and the best way for me to be able to keep up with what you're doing. So I am going to come in here and you'll see I have everyone's name. And I'm just going to click on, I added my own daughter, so I'm going to click on her name, Abby. Everyone's password is the same, 1, 2, 3, 4, and hit go. All right, so when you hit go, this is what pops up. So over here is the reading room. Over here is the level up room. If I send any messages, they would come right here. So there, Abby got 500 stars for opening her builder. It has stats. So she has 500 stars to spend and earned, badges, reading. This tells kind of what they've been doing. As you can see, she has not been reading any books on A to Z. She's been doing Epic too. So if you look over here, this shows where she's at. She is at a level T, and the rocket is showing she has 28 tasks to get to her next level, which would be a level U. So, and she's in 4th grade. So a lot of you are going to be going from level A to D. I might have even, some of you might be starting at a level C, trying to go to a D. And what I'm going to do is show you how you level up. So let's start here first though. If you go into the reading room, it's got lots of books. Let me see if I can move this over a little bit. Oh, nope, that didn't work. All right, sorry, I've never done this before. Over here is the reading room. It's got by topic, leveled books, Spanish and English, fiction, poems, and songs. And down here, you have some options. So the headphones, it will read, let's just click on Brazil. All right. So this is going to read to her. So you'll see she
Brazil,
clicks on it.
written by Gavin Williams. Where is it? Brazil is the largest country in South America.
All right. So you see when you click on the headphones, it will read it to you. And now you see there's a little kind of like badge there that she hasn't finished it, but she's started. Here is the book where after they read it to you, they want you to read it yourself. So we would pretend that we are going through. They would hopefully be able to read the book by themselves since they listened to it a little bit. Going through. All right, and she's done. Oh, and she earned 50 stars. So go to next. All right, so this means that she has started it. The check means that she has finished it. The next thing that needs to happen is the quiz. They need to take this, what the question mark is for the quiz. So we'll check on this. YSN. I'm going to try my best. Don't laugh at me if I get this all wrong. I don't know. Ooh. I don't know how I did. Let's see.
Click on the items with the red X and find a better answer to improve your score and earn more stars.
So
use the book as you take the quiz to help you find the best answer. When finished, click Done.
all right. So you can go back and see which one. Y is. We'll go with this.
Super!
Yay.
You answered all of the questions correctly.
So you'll see she has a check here, and she hasn't listened to it. So that's just the reading room where they can go in and read. Now I want to show you the level up room. This is how they're going to improve. And if you'll see up here, it shows that Abby has 26 tasks left to do. And she has to read each book, and she has to take a quiz on each book. And as she finishes, they will turn green with the check mark, and that lets you know that she's finished them. So that is where your children really need to be working, is here in the reading room. I'm going to log Abby out, and I'm going to go in as, I'll go in as our friend Axel. So again, the password is 1234. And again, the place I want you to go is to the level up room. And you'll see, to go from a level AA to a level A, he has 44 tasks, which is, it looks like I would divide that by 2, so it looks like probably 22 books, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 22 books that he has to listen to and that he has to read. Okay? So these ones don't have quizzes. And let me just pick another kid. Let's go in Gabriel, who's not 1, 2, 3, 4. He's just another friend of mine that I put in here. So let's go to his level up room. And you'll see here, to go from a D to an E, he has 60 tasks, which is going to be 20 books that he has to read, or listen to, read, and then take the quiz. And so my purpose for sharing this video with you is that this is the most important part of the reading. Yes, it's important for them to be listening to stories and reading stories, but if I could get you to focus on, if I could get you just to focus on the reading room and getting them up to that next level, that's where you're going to see the most growth with your kids. So I am not sure what level the quizzes start at. I'm just going to kind of click around. And everyone is at a different level doing their own thing. Oh, so level B has quizzes, and you'll see Aria has listened to some books and has read some books, but she hasn't taken any of the quizzes. So she needs to go back and listen, and she needs to take the quiz. So that was level B. Let me just click in here. Probably the same area. Yeah, so that's kind of reading A to Z. It is a fantastic website, and it is on the kids' level, so you'll see everyone was on a different level. I could add some of my own friends down here, and these are my children, so I could add my friends. Look, if you go into my son Braden, he's not as strong a reader, and you'll see for leveling up, he has to go from an M to an N with 53 tasks left. And I can look here and see that he has listened to it, and he's still reading it and has to take the quiz. So they are more than welcome to hang out here. It's This has lots of books too. This just has all the level M books because that's kind of where he's at. This is the popular books, leveled books. Also, if they click on leveled books, I noticed some kids who were reading all the way down here, level X books, and those aren't their levels. So you'll see here with Braden, he's on a level M, and so he can read down to a level J, and he can challenge himself up and read up to a level O, but he can't go down here to Z and, you know, just listen to books and not be reading. So if he clicks on these, then just gives him different books. So that's kind of reading A to Z. Like I said, we want to live here in the leveling up room, in my opinion. As you earn stars, you can go in and they get to play around and have some fun. So build an avatar, build a rocket. We can look at his stars, his reading. You see he's listened to one book and he's taken 2 quizzes. So there you go. That is reading A to Z. So if you could please focus on it this week. It is an app that you can download onto a tablet. I am up here at kidsatozee.com. When you go there, I think you can click on student. For the username, you'll put my name and Hedgepeth, and you'll find your name. Click it. Password is 1234, and enjoy reading. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.